I got some damn bitches I can call. What's happening? I don't know what I would do without y'all. I'm about to the day I fall. Yeah, long as my bitches love me, my bitches.
But I'll be on it always, always and never.
What's good, y'all? The hair videos are back. As you can see, I got me a little bust down blonde thing. I'm about to try to make it a little bit darker. I don't like a little too bright, so I just did some purple shampoo, blue shampoo, and then I'm adding some honey brown hair dye into the water. I just did the watercolor method. If you don't know what that is, basically you just add a whole bunch of water and then you add whatever color or whatever. But yeah, y'all just about to watch me install this wig, and I hope you enjoy. Bye. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, oh, for me. Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar-coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not for what I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, so you can't really tell what I'm doing in this section, but I'm taking some of my even hairspray, the whole spray, and just applying it to the comb so that I can press it into the lace before I tie it down. Gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. It's some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. It's some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like You know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I lost hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? What you waiting on, look daddy? I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye, but I know I won't think twice. Better let go of your pride. No, just do it now. Oh yeah. When that nigga pull up on me, tell that nigga baby, don't you know all of these niggas wish that they could beg? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. Five years of dating, tired of being patient. What the fuck you waiting for? Yeah, it's a lot of niggas hate, and I don't entertain them. But damn, you gotta give me more. If you don't want it like me, I can think about 100 things I could be doing right now. No wasting my time with you. Okay, since you gotta have it your way, I'ma start that clock on you. We gon' see what's up when a nigga pull up on me. Tell the nigga baby, don't you know all of these niggas wish these niggas back? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now.
Alright, so that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. The link for everything will be listed down below, and I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye.